Today, I'm showing you how to see who shared your post on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage. Step 2. Go to Notifications. Tap on the notifications icon at the top or bottom of the screen. It looks like a bell. Step 3. View Share Notifications. Scroll through your notifications. When someone shares your post, you'll see a notification like Name shared your photo or Name shared your post. Step 4. Tap Notification. Tap on the Share notification to see the shared post and who shared it. Important notes. You can only see public shares of your post. Private shares to friends or groups won't appear. If someone shares your post and sets it to Only Me, you won't see it. The shares count includes all shares, but you can only view public ones. And that's it. You can now see who shared your post on Facebook through notifications or by checking your post directly.